Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Be Better brand first responder trauma backpack. We're going to open it up, we're going to show you what it looks like, we're going to try it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of the bag, just going to highlight a couple things. First of all, there's multiple ways to grab this, as you can tell from the top. Nice reflective straps here, and there are also plenty of padding on both the bottom and the straps themselves. You can also put your card in here, your contact information, stuff like that. There's additional strap hooks so that you can put stuff on there. One of the cool things here is the ability to, and I don't know if I'm doing a good job showing this, the way this hooks in at the bottom. So a very nice metal and spinny connection, so that'll really be nice. And then across the chest, belly, depending on where you wear this, a nice connection as well. More reflective fabric on the sides here, on each side, and then of course you'll have plenty of space for additional items. I'll just say water bottle size on each side. Now let's talk about the front. Again, another strip of reflective tape. It's not tape, it's just fabric. A nice front pocket there. Zip in front pocket here. And then this will open up here. So you've got 1, 2, and 3 front pockets, and they all are pretty deep, so plenty of room for supplies to carry with you. None of them are removable, just to clarify. They all are right in there. And then of course in the inside you have a very nice deep pocket as well. Inside you'll have a number of different mesh areas. So in the front you'll have this mesh space here. You'll have kind of a laptop area, if you will, in the back with it's padded. And then of course inside here, and I'm trying my best to kind of show you, it is padded underneath here in the deep part of the bag, which again I'm not doing a great job showing, but down here it is padded and extended. And then inside again you have 2 mesh, I would say almost water bottle size pockets on the sides. You can see here and on this side here. And then deeper in here again, you'll have room to kind of have more mesh pockets separating, and then again that laptop area. So lots of space on the inside. And again, we'll just zip this up, show you on the top here, and we'll kind of walk through this when I put it on. There's also some additional straps here on each side, and again 2 handles. So let's show this on so give you a better look of what it looks like. All right, so just want to show the bag as is, how it would strap, and again depending on how you want to tighten this, you can get this real tight, pull it up, and you should be all right. And again, have this on your strap, your chest. Straps easily adjust out, and obviously tighten and loosen depending on what your comfort level is. So let me just show you 2 more features that I think are really important. First is if I wanted to strap this to a bicycle or a motorcycle over the handlebars, that would be the idea here, and these clip right in, so I could just clip it right onto my bicycle handlebars or my motorcycle handlebars. That is a really nice feature. And then the second thing, which I probably didn't show, is that once you get this thing filled up, it will kind of flatten out and stand up on its own. And so literally you'll have 4 little rubber feet that will allow it to kind of just stand in place like so.
and so that it doesn't, you know, eat away the bottom of the bag. So this thing is totally awesome. Any kind of first responder should keep this kind of thing available. And again, tons of comfort here in the shoulders and the back. So once you put a lot of weight into it, totally worthwhile. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.